Understanding, privy to, unveiling its meaning in English. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that often puzzles learners, privy to. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering English, and I'm here to help you do just that. So, let's get started. Privy to is a phrase that means having access to confidential or secret information. When someone is privy to something, they are informed about matters that are not widely known or are supposed to be kept secret. It's often used in contexts where information is sensitive or exclusive. Privy. This word alone refers to being in on a secret or having special knowledge. To, in this context, to links the word privy with the information or secret being referred to. Understanding each part helps in comprehending why they come together to mean having special or secret knowledge. 1. Only a few people were privy to the plans for the new product launch. 2. As her lawyer, I am privy to many details of her personal life. 3. You're not privy to this information. It's for the management team only. Notice how in each sentence, privy to indicates exclusive access to certain information. Don't confuse privy with private. While they both relate to privacy, privy specifically means being part of a select group that knows something. Context matters. Privy to is not used for general knowledge or public information. It's about secrets or confidential matters. In the know, this means being informed about something. In on the secret, similar to privy to, it implies being aware of secret information. These expressions can often be used interchangeably with privy to, depending on the context. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase privy to and how you can use it correctly in English. Remember, being privy to such expressions enhances your language skills significantly. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.